Hi everyone, thank you so much for coming in. Today, right now, I am getting ready to do a consistency check. I thought I would take the time to show you the colors as I go. This is Master Touch Orange that I just placed on the paper. Next up, we have, I can tell this is too thick. I am usually a pretty good judge just by the way it feels when I stir, but I've been sick for 3 weeks and have not painted, so I don't trust myself. This is Master Touch Flesh. I had a gift certificate from my birthday, and I really, truly, most of my paints are in my studio in town, which I cannot wait to go back tomorrow. And so I just grabbed some Master Touch. They were on sale. Creative Inspiration in Cadmium Yellow hue. I have used Master's Touch before. It's been a very long time, so I just want to check it. Burnt Umber. I think that's my last, other than my base color, that's my last Master's Touch. I'll just show you my base color. It is Warm Gray. I think this is such a beautiful color. Now this is the one, I'm going to put it over here on the end because I do want my base coat to be a little bit thinner. I have Amsterdam's Pewter. I have Deco Arts Rich Expressive. Just look at that color. Is that just not gorgeous? This is Deco Arts Extreme Sheen in Bronze, and it's thick. But I want to see about how much water. This is a really good way to check. And this is Folk Arts Royal Gold. And this is Deco Arts Metallic 24 karat gold. I can feel that it feels thicker. I'm going to squeeze you in right there. So let's see how bad I did, how rusty. What does 3 weeks without painting do to a person? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh wow. It obviously makes you really stink. Okay, so I added water to some. I'm going to get my puppy pad up here, get things ready, and when we come back we're going to pour. Now, when I get done with this, I am more than likely going to be moving it so I can do another painting. So I always take this where I'm going to move it to, and I leave this on it. So I'm going to go over here across the room real quick. You won't even know I'm gone. I'm just going to make sure that where I want to move this to is level and ready for it. I've been trying for a while to convince myself that having a little bit of negative space is okay. And I have done some beautiful artwork that has negative space. But then I get on this kick where I don't know if my OCD kicks in or what, but it just drives me crazy. I'm going to see if I can do this pour and leave a little bit of the negative space. Okay, let's go ahead. Pewter and the warm gray complemented each other quite nicely, so that was one reason that I went with the pewter. you can hardly see the pewter right on the very edge. I hope you can see it. I love that. I'm really glad I did the pewter in the middle. I wish that wouldn't have waved right there. It's not bad. I just would have preferred it had it not done that. Be a nice little fall piece. You could prop it up on your table, you could prop it up on your mantle, put some fall greenery around it, some pumpkins, whatever you wish. Thank y'all so much for hanging out with me and painting. I hope you enjoyed. Have an amazing day. Come back and see me in the next video. Maybe we'll paint.